In today's video, let's talk about how to use Tidal on different devices. If you're currently using Tidal on your phone only on the application and you're now trying to use it on your desktop, whether it be through the website or the desktop app of Tidal, you just need to head over to the login section and then enter in your credentials. Even if you are logged in from a different device, you will not have issues of logging in to a different device as well. But the only thing that you need to remember is that if you don't have the family plan of Tidal, you won't be able to play songs simultaneously. For example, if you have an individual plan and you log into a different device and you start to play a song on the new device, the song will stop on the previous device. Only if you have a family plan, the all of the members inside of the family plan will have an individual account, meaning they would be able to play songs simultaneously on different devices. So if you want to play songs simultaneously, make sure you have the family plan and then subscribe or upgrade to a family plan. Unless you do, you'll be able to log in, but however, you won't be able to play songs simultaneously. So that's basically it for this video. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.